Hey guys, welcome back to the Shipmate YouTube channel. You know, school time's coming up here in August and September. People are going to be heading back to school. People are going to be doing homeschooling. And I want to take some time and talk to you about how things are going to change for e-commerce sellers as people return to school with this virtual back-to-school shopping. So this year, with everything going on and all the craziness, back to school is going to be a lot different. Some people are physically going back to school. Other people are going to be, doing some at-home learning. Some people are going to be doing hybrid learning. Some universities are opening up. Some universities are opening up in the fall, some in the spring, some not at all. So, there's a lot of different things going on here with returning to school this year that leave a lot of question marks. What is going to be this new learning experience in the new normal? What is it going to look like? How do I need to prepare? What do I need to get for my child? And because there's a lot of questions here, there's a real opportunity here for e-commerce sellers to fill in the voids where retail, is lacking in this environment, because with e-commerce, we can react quicker. We can get items to customers quicker. We can, fit these needs and fill in where need be. First thing I want to talk about is if you guys haven't already placed your orders for school season, now is the time to do it. Don't wait. It's coming up in a few weeks. It's a great opportunity to sell to a large audience that is looking to buy school supplies. They're looking to buy personal protection equipment. They're looking to buy hand sanitizer, gloves, masks, all these things that they might need. I heard that some schools are implementing, a one set of materials per child rule. So now, kids might not be sharing the sets of markers. School districts and teachers and stuff like that might have to go out and buy, 20 packs of markers for the whole class. So there's a lot of things that are going to be changing, and it's going to create more demand than we have seen. So you want to get those orders in. You want to get those orders in, right now if you haven't already done it, because I'm telling you, the demand's going to be there and people are going to be shopping. The second thing to keep in mind is that some people are still afraid of the virus. They're still afraid to venture out, and they're not going to be shopping in that physical retail space. There are some people that will not step foot in a Walmart if their life depended on it, because, they assess the risk to be very high in doing that. So because of that, you're going to have a lot of people shopping online to get school supplies and things like that, because it's perceived as safer than going to Walmart. And quite honestly, with the lines and things, it probably is. You're going to see a lot of concerned parents shifting their shopping behaviors online, like we already see with the major trends with, mobile orders, curbside pickup, things like that. So you want to get in there and make sure that you have school supplies ready to cater to these groups of people. The next reason why school supplies and PPE is going to be really big this year is, I know it, you know it, logistics have just been a mess this year so far. With all the stuff closed and, unanticipated demand and shelves not being restocked, parents and teachers and students, they might go to Target and they might not find, the pencils, the notebooks, the things that they expect to find. We had, these shortages of toilet paper, and we had shortages of hand sanitizer and shortages of masks. It got to the point where, Walmart and GameStop and places like that weren't even stocking Nintendo Switches and games. So it's very real that we get stockouts of products that are in high demand during, these kind of events. So because of that, you should be prepared to see increased volume as people go to the stores and they don't find what they're looking for. So this year, people are going to be buying things that they might not normally buy to go to school. So that's why I said earlier, PPE is going to be huge. But another thing is a lot of tech things. Parents might want to go out and get the kid a laptop, so that way they can do their assignments at home. They might have to go buy headphones. They might have to go buy all these tangential products, printers, scanners, all kinds of crazy things that, you didn't really think would be in high demand this year, or all of a sudden going to be in high demand because a lot of kids are not returning to school, and a lot of college students are doing at-home learning. So you're going to see a demand for tech and tech-related things that can help people with their schooling. So, I would prepare yourself if you're selling tech, if you're selling school supplies, if you're selling, clothing, you're selling things like that, things that people are going to wear to school or use at school. This year is your year as an online seller to take a lot of that business from physical retail and bring it home, bring it into your store and make money. So, this is me just coming out here, giving everybody a reminder. Back to school season is coming, and this year it's going to be a lot different. It's going to be totally different with the desk spacing, with the, one pack of markers per kid, with the kids having to wear masks, teachers maybe even wearing face shields, and, I'm worried about ventilation in buildings. There's going to be a lot of products here that are going to, be sold to school districts, sold to teachers, sold to students, sold to parents, that you have the opportunity to cash in right now and supply those goods as an e-commerce seller. I hope you guys, got some ideas from this, learned a little bit, start thinking about, do I have a product that might be in high demand this school season? And how do I get it to my end user? So guys, I thank you so much for checking out this video. Please give us a like, a subscribe. We come at you every week with new content. And, we're always looking to just give you more information. So that way you can run your store better and you can make more money. Thank you, and we'll see you next week.